Day 3 in Iceland was a mix of big stops and choosing quiet ones. Before hitting the road for the day, I wanted to visit this iceberg just around the corner. It took a minute to register just how big it was. I was tempted to join the group walking on the iceberg. However, I knew I had a long drive ahead of me. The countryside was beautiful as I made my way to Thingvellir National Park, where I got to stop and see one of the biggest waterfalls in Iceland. It's massive and powerful, but also very busy. It's definitely popular for a reason. I wanted to see where the North American and European plates met. Being in the tourist crowds with the waterfalls the last couple days, I opted to find a trail on my own. I'm really glad I did. The views were stunning, and it was so peaceful right within the park. The drive to the next hostel felt much more remote, as I headed on to the West Peninsula. Upon seeing the views around the area, I knew that I wanted to visit this waterfall in the distance. And this famous glacier cap volcano from Jules Verne's Journey to the Center of the Earth. My hostel for the next 2 nights was on the edge of the peninsula that actually turned out to be a nesting area for Arctic terns. I loved listening to all the birds. However, it was basically impossible to walk around without being dive bombed the entire time. Day 3 had icebergs, crowds, quiet hikes, and aggressive birds. Definitely one of the more memorable days. Let me know if you want details on the hike or where I stayed.